Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe your favorite movie. Please.
Yes. So my favorite movie is a Hindi movie, Tare Zameen Par, which means stars on the lands. I think it was 2016. It was a weekend when I saw this movie in first time in my life. This movie was a serious and emotional movie, and it was about the life of a teacher. Amir Khan was a teacher, and he solves problem of a student. At the time, I was also working as a teacher in a secondary school. I was math teacher. This movie helped me a lot to solve psychological problems of a student, and I watched this movie again and again. I remember this movie helped me a lot to solve the problems of a student, and I always recommend this movie to many teachers. And they should watch this movie, and I also refer this movie to parents of students. They should watch this movie, and it will help them to solve the psychological problem and the distance between them and their parents, and it will help them a lot.
All right, 1 minute and 10 seconds. So you need to have the continuity in your answer. Like you speak 3, 4, 5 sentences, then you speak the next portion, then the next portion. Try to use some connecting words in between. Wherever you get stuck, use a connecting word. Moreover, furthermore, not only this, apart from this, use connecting words wherever you get stuck, then your answer is going to be fluent, and the pauses you take, if you fill those pauses with connecting words, you will be fine, right? Overall, it's good, but you spoke for 1 minute, 10 seconds, so try to speak as long as you are interrupted by the examiner. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think films have educational benefits?
Yes, you can say some kind. It depends upon kind of movies which we are recommending or which we are watching the movies. Some kinds of movies are beneficial for the students. They can, as in IELTS, when we are preparing IELTS, when I was preparing IELTS, I in Eid days I watched many movies. Movies help us to understand the language, other language, and other cultures, and about the lifestyle of other countries and
Okay,
people.
this is good. Overall, your answers are fine. Just focus fluency.
Yes,
Your language is good, but you take time to produce ideas. So try
yes.
to focus your fluency only, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.